Common objection ng mga business owners bakit hindi sila nag-invest sa pag-develop ng kanilang mga tao, it is because hindi naman sila malaking kumpanya. Well, that is not true. Because regardless of the size of your company, malaki man yan o maliit, regardless kung gaano katagal o kabago na yung kumpanya, you can benefit in training and developing your people. And it's the reason kung bakit maliit ang iyong kumpanya. Because if you study large corporations, rest assured that you will find na isa sa mga cornerstones ng kanilang kumpanya, ng kanilang pagpapalaki ng kanilang empire, it is training and developing their people. Palaging may benefit ang training sa iyong kumpanya. Whether to upskill your current or existing na mga employees or to onboarding your newly hired na mga recruits or mga empleyado. You see, napakaraming benefits and you should not think na ang training ay para lang sa malalaking kumpanya. It is the reason na lumaki sila. Kung ikaw maliit pa, start in investing in training and developing your people today.